Good morning universe, good morning earth, good morning Masity, and good morning Labrador. To this vlog is mag-unboxing tayo ng parang brick boxer shot, pero ito galing to ng China. Dalawang in-order ko. Ang tagal niyang dumating. October 22 ko siya in-order. Kailan na siya dumating. Black at saka white. China. Yan siya. Pwede mo to i-ano kasi ito